As you've heard today, our models and products are unlocking new breakthroughs. But the real breakthrough isn't the technology, it's what you do with it. Whether you're a designer, an entrepreneur, or an artist, our products help shrink the gap between the moment you have an idea and the moment you create it. At its best, technology is a canvas for human creativity. And today, I want to dive into 3 products that help you bring your ideas to life. Let's start with one that takes the power of Nano Banana and gives you even more creative control. Introducing Google Pics, a new product in Google Workspace. Pics is our image creation and editing tool that helps you create just about anything, from party flyers to infographics, with the creative controls you want. Watch how easy this is. You start with a base image as your canvas, and what's really cool is that Pics understands what's in your creations and how the objects work together. You can hover over an element and click to remove it, or you can resize an object to fit the frame. Once the layout is set, you can add or edit text and translate all of it with just a few clicks. Pretty cool. Every output from our creative tools, including Pics, is watermarked with SynthID, and Pics is rolling out this summer. But what if you want to go beyond images? Maybe you want to design an app or a website. Now you can build UI at the speed of thought. Teams across Google use our design product called Stitch to turn rough ideas into beautiful UI designs. But it's not just us. In the last year, the world used Stitch to generate over 100 million UI screens. And to continue that momentum, today we're introducing new ways to design. Let's look at how this works. My friends Tyler and Jenny own a pizza company, and they have a ton of experience making pizza and no experience designing websites. With a single prompt, Stitch will go to work generating that UI live. Now, this is just the first pass, but if they want to refine it, they can collaborate with Stitch in real time, either by writing prompts or using their voices. For example, they can jump in and say, make the header text larger and update the menu to highlight more pizza options. And the layout updates in real time. And because Stitch links to many tools, they can export their design to code or launch their website in just a few clicks. These updates in Stitch are rolling out today to users globally. With every new technology, what's most exciting is seeing what people make with it. That's why from day one, we haven't just built models and tools for creatives, we've built with them. Let's take a look at some of our amazing partners and what we've created together.
You're in the era where the human has to be the most creative.
Kansas anymore.
Right?
Yeah, we'll do that.
That spirit of collaboration is why we launched Google Flow at I/O last year. Today, millions of people are using it to create images, films, and music in ways they never could before. And to build on that progress, we're rolling out Gemini Omni, a new agent, custom tools, and music remixing. Let's start with Gemini Omni. Take a look at this raw footage. I love how this person is walking, his presence, his pacing. Let's not change any of that. With a simple prompt and style reference, Omni allows us to transform the environment, add visual effects, and any other element, all while preserving the original performance. And now, you can even add new characters while maintaining everything else in the scene. Next, let's look at our second big update, a new agent in Google Flow. Until today, Flow could only execute one prompt at a time. Now, your agent can take multiple actions all at once. Starting with just a single image, I can ask the agent to help me find the best camera angles for this scene. It analyzes what's happening in the image, concepts the most compelling angles, and then, boom, a single image becomes 16 unique videos. The agent can also handle large-scale edits, like transforming all of the scenes from early morning to late at night. Its understanding of context is precise. The desert sky goes completely dark, and the headlights turn on, illuminating the dust. It's a true collaborator, helping you create and edit at scale. Our next update is Flow Tools. Now you can vibe code any creative tool you could think of, right in Flow. Custom built by you for your unique creative process, like designing video effects, hand-drawn animations, or layering text. You can start building, sharing, and remixing tools today. Visual magic is only half the story. Google Flow Music brings the same creative control to help artists create original songs. For months, one of our teammates had a piano riff in his head. Let's listen to his original recording. It's a cool foundation, but he wanted to turn it into a demo to guide his band. So he recorded his piano into Flow Music and prompted it for an R&B direction, with a female vocal to inspire his band's singer. Let's take a listen.
If I'm not on display, tell me why would I try to fly? Why would I try?
Now, this isn't his final track, but it helped his band decide what to record next. And all these new features in Google Flow and Google Flow Music are available today. From musicians to small businesses and vibe coders to artists, the real breakthrough isn't the technology, it's what you do with it. And we can't wait to see what you create.